Vintage typewriters, once a staple in every writer's life, exude a charm that modern technology can't replicate. Each typewriter tells a story, showcasing artistry in its mechanical design and unique sound when typing. They served as essential tools for authors like Ernest Hemingway, who embraced their tactile feel to bring words to life. Today, a resurgence in nostalgia has sparked a revival among collectors and hobbyists, breathing new life into these relics of the past. Vintage typewriters remind us that creating is as much about the journey as it is about the final product.